Okay, sorry for the late. Let me give a brief overview about today's training. If you have watched the webinar on LifeSmart official website, you will know that we did an air conditioning system training before, and the content include the product introduction, the wiring, and the app configuration. So the purpose of this training is to short it out again and make some supplements. The introduction today will mainly be 3 parts. What air conditioning products are on sale in LifeSmart? What common air conditioning products on the market might be compatible with LifeSmart? And which smart devices to choose for each type of the air conditioners. First of all, I'm going to tell the products and the features of each model. The products can be divided into 3 types. The first type, AC gateway. The AC gateway communicates with the ducted multi-split AC and the ducted sleep system based on the 485 protocol. And the second type, the infrared universal controller. With the controller, it can activate the TV's air conditioners by learning the 3K band infrared signals and emitted by the each key of the original remote control. The third type is the thermostat for the fan coil unit. Nature Mini Pro thermostat, Nature thermostat, and Nature thermostat with the 24 volts output. All the 3 models realize FCU intelligence by replacing the original thermostat. But there will be some slight differences in the features of each model. The first model, Nature Mini Pro thermostat. It supports switching multiple working mode, like the dual valve mode, single valve mode, single valve two-way mode, etc. And also it can support the fan speed adjustment. With the full touch screen, it can also work as an interactive panel for the whole house smart devices, like the switches, dimmer switches, curtains, and other devices. The second model, Nature thermostat, supports switching working mode, dual valve mode, single valve mode, etc. And also it supports fan speed adjustment. The third model, Nature thermostat with 24 volts output. It outputs the 24 volt signal to the AC relay board and supports switching the working mode. But this model only supports 1 fan speed output. The above is all 7 of our air conditioning products. AC gateway, universal controller, and the thermostat. Next part, what common air conditioning products on the market might be compatible with LifeSmart system? The first tab, wall-mounted ductless mini-split system. It insists of an outdoor unit and a single zone or multiple zone indoor unit. And the indoor unit is adhered to the wall. For this tab, universal controller sport might be compatible, but a key point we need to consider is whether all the keys of the remote control transmit the IR signal. We have encountered some remote controls. Some of the buttons are Bluetooth and the others are IR, but the sport cannot learn the Bluetooth keys. So we should make sure all the keys of the original remote control transmit the IR signal. Then it can be replaced by the sport. The second tab, ducted single split system. This central system uses two separate units to supply hot air or cool air with an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. For this type, the AC gateway LS212 might be compatible. If you are a distributor, engineer, or installer, you must face with different types of the air conditioners in user's home. So how to judge whether this AC type and this smart device can be compatible? We need a wiring diagram. We need an electrical diagram of the indoor and outdoor unit mainboard for judgment. The electrical diagram is usually contained in the specification of this AC product. So the first step, please ask the AC manufacturer to provide this document to us. Here is a sample. The AC brand of this sample is the General. After checking this electrical diagram, our technical team will tell you no, that the terminal CN14 can be compatible with the LS212 AC gateway, because the terminals CN14 has been developed to be compatible with this product. If there is any questions, please let me know. You can send it in the chat box. The third tab, ducted multi-split AC system. For this tab, it runs multiple indoor units from one single outdoor unit, allowing it to cool multiple rooms without you have to install an outdoor unit for each indoor unit. And the types of the indoor unit can be different or any combination. For this step, the AC gateway LS175 might be compatible, the same as the last AC system, ducted single split system. The electro diagram is necessary to provide to us for judgment. This sample is from Mitsubishi ducted multi-split AC system. Zooming in this electrical diagram, we can know the terminal M1 and M2 is compatible with our AC gateway LS175. So for both type of ducted single split system and ducted multi-split AC system, the AC gateway LS175 or 212 can be compatible, and we need a wiring diagram or the electrical diagram for the judgment. The first type, fan coil unit. We call it FCU for short. The FCU system has a fan inside and a heating coil and cooling coil. The fan pushes the air through the FCU, and the hot or cold water passes through the coil. And the original thermostat is wired to the terminals on the junction box to realize the control. Different from the last two types of AC system, the electrical diagram of the FCU mainboard is useless for us to judgment the compatibility. We need the wiring diagram of the original thermostat. This is a picture took by an on-site staff. We can see the spots are heating and cool valve, low, medium, high, fan speed, live wire and neutral wire. So the wiring diagram is totally matched with the Nature Mini Pro thermostat or the Nature thermostat. So they removed the original thermostat and installed the Nature Mini Pro thermostat. This type of the FCU thermostat should be the most mainstream in the market. But we also have encountered some different types of the FCU thermostat, like this one. The difference is the cold valve. The cold valve is controlled by two wires, cold valve on and cold valve off. So our developer team developed a specific mode for this product. The configuration details is posted. We select the single fan coil mode, cold mode only, and low, medium, high fan speed. The last step is enable this option. This is another type of the FCU thermostat. The output and input signal is 24 volts. Terminal C and terminal R is for the 24-volt power supply. Y is for cooling and G is for heating. G is for the fan open or close. And this kind of the FCU thermostat is compatible with the natural thermostat 24 volts version. And we can see the interface on the basement is totally matched. The fifth step, variable air volume system, VAV system for short. Actually, many HVAC products are being introduced to improve system performance and energy efficiency. The VAV terminal is one such product being promoted. This product is first appeared in Middle East market. This may be attributed to the climatic conditions. So the VAV system, we can find it usually works with a large air handler system. Please follow my mouse. It can be a DS cooling system or a packaged rooftop system. The conditioned air is distributed throughout the building via the ductwork system. And is regular via dampers in each space. A VAV box consists of a controller, actuator, and a damper. So, how can the LifeSmart products control the air volume? By controlling the damper. This case is a trim packaged rooftop AC system with the VAV boxes. As I have introduced in the last page, the VAV box is equipped with a damper, actuator, and controller. So in this case, we replace the original actuator with a third-party open and closed damper actuator, which can be modulated open or closed by 0 volt or 230 volts signal via the thermostat products. We vary this actuator to our Nature Mini Pro thermostat. When the valve 1 output 0 volt, the damper is closed, and there will be no wind output. When the valve 1 output 230 volts to the actuator, the damper will open fully. Then there will be the wind output. So, if you are a distributor or the installer, this table can be used as a summary and for inquiries in your future work. For the first tab we introduced today is the wall-mounted ductless AC system. LifeSmart product Spot may be compatible with this system. And how to judge whether this AC tap and this smart device can be compatible? We need to check with the AC manufacturer, or we should have a test. If the original remote control can emit the 38K band IR signal. The second tab we introduced today is ducted single split system. It consists of an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. LifeSmart product LS212 AC gateway might be compatible with this system. And for the judgment, we need to check in the electrical diagram of the mainboard. We should know. Then we will let you know whether the 485 interface on this AC mainboard has been developed to make it be compatible with our AC gateway. And for the third tab, ducted multiple split AC system. It might be compatible with LS175 AC gateway with the same method for checking the electrical diagram of the mainboard. But one more point we need to consider is a very few original thermostat of these two systems may support the infrared. So as long as the original thermostat can emit the infrared signal, then we can also use the Spot to control this AC system. The first tab is the FCU system. For the FCU system, we have the thermostat, like Nature Mini Pro thermostat, Nature thermostat, and Nature thermostat with 24 volts output. For this type of AC, we need to check in the wiring diagram of the original thermostat. If the interface definition is the same as LifeSmart thermostat, then we can say it can be replaced. And the fifth tab, the variable air volume system. In the example I shared in the slide, the Nature Mini Pro thermostat can be compatible with a third-party actuator damper. But for more project, if you will meet the user's home with the VAV system, we can discuss it case by case. So let's have a quick summarize. The first step, you should confirm the type of the air conditioner with the AC manufacturer. Then you will know which device might be compatible with this AC type. And the last step, judge whether this AC type and our smart air conditioner products are compatible. You can according to this summarized table. So the above is my training today. Hi, Osama. Let me check your question in the chat room. Will you produce new devices to control air conditioning, or will you develop it become more compatible? Hi, Osma. Currently, most of our air conditioning products can be compatible with the mainstream AC brand or AC models. There is a quiz to get the LifeSmart certification. You can scan the QR code or click the linkage to join in. If anyone have any questions, please continue asking in the chat room. Is anyone have any questions? We will wait for 5 minutes. Hello, Shazard. I think for the heat pump used in UK might be compatible with our thermostat if the original thermostat wiring diagram is the same as our product. You can share the varying connection of the original thermostat to our technical support team. Then we will help you to check it. Okay, time is up. I will offline. See you next time.